the next point of footprint without feet. In these points, Griffin robbed some money from the shopkeeper. Then he took a train and reached Iping village. It means after changing his get-up, Griffin entered in a big shop and he robbed some money from the shopkeeper, and he robbed money and caught a train and went in a village which name is Iping. At Iping, Griffin booked 2 rooms at an inn. It means in Iping village, Griffin took 2 rooms for rent in an inn. In it means in a dharamshala for 2 rooms. He paid the rent in advance. The name of the landlady was Mrs. Hall. The landlady of inn was Mrs. Hall. She tolerated the strange behavior of Griffin due to the money. It means Mrs. Hall accepted or faced all the mistakes and the strange behavior of Griffin due to take the advance money, and soon Griffin spent the stolen money. He told the landlady that he had no cash, and Mrs. Hall accepted all the mistakes and strange behavior of Griffin. But when the time of advance money is completed, now the stolen money had spent soon, and when the landlady demanded the money for rent, then Griffin refused to give the money because there was no money to Griffin. And in next points, he said that he was expecting a check. It means when the Griffin's money had spent, he had no money for pay the rent, but the lady continuously pressurized to Griffin for money. Then Griffin tried to satisfy to take a check, and the next day he stole money from the house of the clergyman. It means, but the landlady did not agree to take the check, and next day to pay the rent, Griffin had stolen the money from the house of a clergyman. The clergyman and his wife were surprised, but both clergyman and his wife became surprised because they did not see any person in their house. The room was empty. Even then, the money was stolen. They thought, the landlady and Mrs. Hall thought that they did not see any person in their house, and how can a man stole the money from their house without coming in the house. After some time, the landlord and his wife found that Griffin's room was open. It means because the room was empty. Even then the money was stolen without coming any thief. After some time to listen about the theft, the landlord and his wife, Mrs. Hall, went near the room of Griffin, but they noticed that Griffin was not there, and his room was also opened. They entered the room, but there was nobody. It means Mr. and Mrs. Hall entered in the room of Griffin, but nobody was present there, and they became surprised to found the empty room. Okay, students.